today I want to share with you my new laundry basket. It's this one. I'm gonna open it right now. The material is so beautiful. Came two in the same packet. This part is like bamboo wood. It's a black one and a gray one. And it's so easy to use because you just put this part in the bottom. And ready. You have your laundry basket right here. We have one. And two. I think that is practical that you have two of the different colors because you can use it one for one type of clothes and the other for other type of clothes like white and black clothes or white clothes. As you can see, this material is resistant and it's easy to carry on, so you can take your dirty clothes and goes to laundry room without problems. You can use it to your clean clothes before you organize it. And I'm gonna put inside some towels so you can see the use. I think they are beautiful. The material feels like high quality, it's resistant. You can put some weight, high weight inside because the material was durable and so resistant. So I highly recommend this laundry basket for your home. See you.